Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will explore how to run GUI-based applications on top of Docker containers. Are you excited? Let's begin. So, first of all, let's check if the Docker services are running. Now, let's launch a container in interactive mode, provide network as host and environmental variable as display. Use CentOS image version 7. Install Firefox using yum command. Now, configure the dbus as shown. Finally, start the Firefox using command Firefox. So, we can see that we have successfully launched GUI-based app on top of Docker container. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.